Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today I'm going to unbox my new Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. It's really cool. I'm really excited to check it out. So let's open it up. So what this is, it's a smart oven. It's got an air fryer. It actually has 13 different presets for things that you can make, and it runs with the Joule app. So I'm going to turn it around here. It's a big box. And this will give you a better idea of what it does. So, like I said, it's got 13 different smart presets, but the really cool thing about it is that it works with this Joule app, and it has something called autopilot. So it figures out, you use your recipe, it figures out what you need to do, and it does it for you automatically. In this example, it's going to make these croissants, and it puts a 90-minute proof at 90 degrees, and then it bakes it on the top, and then it bakes it on the bottom to give it a nice crust. So I'm looking forward to checking those out. All right, I'm going to open this guy up here. The really nice package here. You can see some of those yummy looking croissants. All right, so congratulations on your purchase of your new connected oven. It's got a little QR code there so you can scan the Joule app and get started. The Joule app is a free app that goes with your oven. This is the important things like the book. And this looks like the little tray where you collect your crumbs and stuff like that. Put that over here. Wow, a lot of stuff in here. It's a little round tray. That over here. Oh. And here's a grate. The power plug. Okay, I think I got all the stuff out of the top. All right, so I had some help getting this out of the box. It was packed in there pretty tight. So here it is. Here's the oven, and it comes with some more extra trays here. This looks like an air frying tray, and another little tray, and another little tray. We'll just set these guys aside over here for a minute, and I'm going to peel off the plastic. Oh, there it is. Look at that. I got the black stainless steel one, and it looks really cool. It also comes in regular stainless steel. I just loved the way this one looked. So it's got some stickers on here. Okay, so here it is inside. It looks like about a regular size toaster oven, a little bit bigger. And it's got this nice sticker on here that talks about the autopilot. Whoosh. I love doing that. Anyway, so here it is. It looks really cool in the black stainless steel. So I took all the little racks out of their packaging. So let's see what the oven looks like. So this is really neat. It's got two little magnets here. So it pulls the tray out for you when you pull it out, which is really neat. I don't know if you've ever tried to pull a tray out when it's hot. It doesn't work very well. And so it's got a couple of trays in here. They give you a little pizza pan, which is nice. And then down here on the bottom, it's got a broiler tray. You just see that. It comes with the little drip tray and the broiler thing on top, and a little air fryer basket. So it comes with this really cool drip tray down here. And pull it all the way out. See how shiny it is? It's really cool. It looks really nice with this orange detailing here. Okay, so this is a sticker that's on here because it's not on, but that gives you an idea what the display is going to look like when it's on. This is a button that you can rotate and push to confirm what you're doing. This is the start and stop button right here. This here changes temperature and darkness, so like if you're making toast. This is time. This is another knob, or slices if you're making toast. This is a little button that changes from Fahrenheit to centigrade. This is looks like the convection oven fan setting here. This is a really cool little button. It says a bit more, so if you just want a little bit more time, you can push this. This is the button that if you're trying to make something that's frozen, if you're trying to toast a frozen bagel, you turn that on. And this is favorites, so I don't really know what that means, but it sounds cool. So those are all the controls on the Joule oven. Okay, so that is the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro, and I'm really looking forward to checking it out. Thank you for watching.